Okay, hey y'all, I'm fucking alive and shit. So I finally got time to film. I'm gonna actually have way more time to film now because I have like 5-hour shifts now. So fuck, I mean, it's like bittersweet because I'm like, fuck that money, but I'm also like, oh my god, like I get my life back. So anyways, I don't really want to talk that much. I just want to like, I'm gonna do my makeup, so I'm like, might as well just film it, do something like super quick, cute, let's do it. So, and my battery didn't charge all the way, so yeah. I'm just gonna go right in, honestly. So I did get the new Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I have used this on my Instagram already, and honestly, like, I fucked up. I don't think this is my shade, but it's like the closest thing to my shade. I got 330W, which I really wanted 310 because it said it was like an olive color. It's pretty like lighter than me right now, so I'm just gonna go with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade 385. I'm running out, but you can see like that is like my undertone. Like this will probably be pretty fucking perfect for me, but just because I want to show y'all the foundation, I am planning to get like my actual shade of the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, which I think is 332C. The Anastasia Beverly Hills is pretty light for me right now, but at least I'll have that undertone from the Makeup Forever. And you know me, y'all, I usually just like don't even bother putting in this area of my face, but I usually don't even go in that heavy with concealer to start with, so I'm just gonna go ahead and like put some coverage there. Honestly, you guys, I've just been going crazy on my eyebrows because they definitely need to be done, so ignore this right now, okay? I'm gonna go in with my cream contour. I think I can get away with just using this one, but I actually want to be really bronzy, so I'm still gonna mix both. And I'm really gonna go in, of course, on the forehead, like the eyebrow right here. We're gonna pat it in all up in here. Normally I would just like focus on this area, but I really want to bring this whole part in just to give a guideline, because that's how hard I want to go in with my bronzer later. So now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. I'm just gonna brush up my eyebrows because we're gonna cut them up, which, by the way, anything that I use to prep my face is gonna be down below, which there's nothing really much that's changed. Farsali Neutrogena moisturizer, I mean, that's kind of new because I was actually using the Beleaf one, but I ran out and I haven't gone back to Sephora to buy it. So I'm gonna go back in with this foundation brush and we're patting her in. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my eyes. So I also did cop the powder. I'm iffy on how I feel about it. Some days I'm like, well, the first time, oh shit, that shit fucking dropped. That's what I fucking get, y'all. I don't even want to show y'all my vanity right now, but we're gonna use it off of that shit because that shit's not gonna go to fucking waste. Okay, I'm gonna talk and do my makeup because it's no joke, y'all. I really don't want my battery to turn the fuck off. Like, y'all don't even know how many times I've tried to film. Pick the actual lid. I was gonna keep it wet, but I forgot up till like literally that shit came out of my mouth. So oh well, it's okay. So anyways, I bought the powder because it was there and it was literally the last one, and I'm like, oh my god, while I think about it, someone's gonna come snatch it up and I'm gonna fucking regret it, so let me just cop it. So I did, and I don't know if I would replace it with my Huda Beauty because I actually really fucking like that powder. But the first time that I tried it, I was just like, okay, I see you. And I used it yesterday with the foundation itself, and it was not doing it for me. I felt like I looked really dry and cakey, but I don't know. Maybe I was just looking too much into it because my boyfriend and my co-workers the other day when I went to work, they were literally like, oh, you know, how do you do your foundation? It looks really smooth and shit. And I was just like, oh, I'm just really applying a lot of powder here, and then I'm gonna like disperse it out. There's like a few things that I feel like would have fucking taken this powder like to here. Like right now it's like this, and I feel like it could have been like this, you know, like the actual packaging, it's like those big round holes, so you get a lot of product like this outside, which I mean is not my favorite. Also, what I fucking loved about if I can find it, hold up, I don't want to be messy, the Huda Beauty is this little, like, what the fuck is that shit called? The sifter. Yeah, like a sifter type situation. I feel like this needs that because it kind of like gets into these little balls sometimes, which kind of freaks me out because I just feel like it's so thick and it just needs that little like sifter to really thin it out, and then the formula would be like fucking amazing. But maybe it's like the way I apply things, I'm like, this is too much and it should be like with a brush or something. I don't know, like I don't know. So that's how I feel about it. I just feel like directly under my under eye, my skin looks scaly, you know, like fucking dry. Like that's how I feel right now. But once those oils start kicking in, we're gonna see. Honestly, like from how I'm looking at myself right now to the mirror, I look flawless. So like, no fucking bullshit, I look fucking flawless. But like up in person like that, I'm like, looking a little scaly. No lie, y'all, I'm actually like fucking impressed with myself. Like I feel like I'm working so fucking fast. Okay, so now I'm gonna do blush. So I'm gonna keep up with the Anastasia Beverly Hills vibe and use this one, but I think I'm gonna go in with Miami instead. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Miami instead. And so I'll be back once my eyebrows are done and we'll go ahead and do the eyes. So today it's pretty much gonna be like the end-ish of like my little nude series I did on Instagram. So I do want to do like something a little smoky and brown, but maybe incorporate a little bit of orange since I do want to start off doing oranges. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with like a transition color. I'm gonna start it off pretty safe and I'm gonna go in with this really old Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm going to be using this shade here. It's going to be Nutmeg, like this E23 brush, and I'm going to start out kind of a little lower than my crease and then go up. And this is just going to be like the building point for everything else because I do want to build it up into more of like a brownie situation. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of like a deeper orange around that area just so it kind of pops, since it now has that little blanket. It's not going to be too crazy. This is a M513. I'm going to use this Morphe palette, the Dare to Create, and I'm going to be grabbing this shade here in the middle. And let me just tell y'all really quick, I'm going to actually drop, if I still have footage, the video that I filmed the other day for y'all. It was actually supposed to be for IGTV. In that video, that's the foundation itself with the powder, the ABH one. Pretty much the same routine. The makeup I feel was pretty off, but looking back at it, it's not that bad. But anyways, story is I was using these shadows, the army green ones, and it was a fucking disaster, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna center this almost here in the outer corner, kind of doing like a circle, blend this upwards. Now with a denser brush like this one, this is a M433, I'm gonna grab a different type of brown, and this is a part that I'm unsure of because I don't know how dark I want to take it. Again, I'm grabbing this palette. These are the culprits. This was fucking trash. It doesn't look that bad on camera, like the clip I'm gonna plug in, but it was so patchy. Like this one was like really weird and really light here, and then just wouldn't blend seamlessly. And once I added the darker one, it turned really patchy in some areas, like some Jaclyn Hill type of fucking moment right there. But anyways, I think I'm gonna use this one. This one's kind of giving me a more neutral color. Are we seeing that? This one looks kind of like reddish here. So I'm gonna grab that one. I really want to grab Fudge from Slope Culture, but the last time I used that brown, it went a little dark on me. So far we left this portion naked, so I just want to just buff it in slightly, so when that light color hits, she doesn't steal the show. Now with this fluffy brush, I'm gonna take a chance, y'all. I'm gonna take that 513 and I'm gonna grab that brown all up in here. Now tapering it out and upwards. And you want this to be soft. You don't want this to like be too strong. So I'm kind of like really being light-handed. Now I'm just gonna go back in with that orange and with that E23 back with the Morphe palette orange, and I'm just gonna sweep it over on the top just because I don't want to lose that. Okay, now in this portion of the eye, now I even want to go like in with like a cool brown, but I don't really have like what I'm picturing in my head. So I'm gonna use this color here. I think this one, this is macchiato. Okay, so we're gonna grab this shade. I really want you guys to like that. I mean, it looks a little peachy but a little soft at the same time. I want it to be this light but a little cool brown, if that makes sense to y'all. Now here comes the real scary part, and I'm gonna add black. Don't want to take my chances with the Morphe. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna start with a really dark brown, and if I really want the black, I'm gonna add the black. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. This dark brown here, and I'm pretty much like stamping it like halfway to like my pupil. And I'm gonna blend it out. And I still have this Kylie palette, so I'm gonna grab that black just because her shadows are like kind of whatever. So if it's too much, I mean, I could probably blend it out instead of the Morphe one. That one I just don't want to take my chances on. And now I'm gonna blend it out. You know what? I'm gonna see what fudge looks like. Fudge is like, it turned kind of black the last time I used it, so okay y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes, mascara, and then we'll be back for like the finishing touches. Okay, I can't even front with y'all. These are not the lashes I was trying to use. My mom, she bought me lashes, and I told her to get me the Demi Wispy. She got me the 13s, which are long on like my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be using Dripping in Gold. And I'm just gonna do a little inner corner moment, and now I'm gonna actually just go ahead and highlight my face using that shade. So I went ahead and just highlighted on my cupid's bow, my nose, the inner corners. I flirted out a bit with brush here. This is the M139 brush. I just kind of did this motion. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline with the jumbo pencil. I'm sorry y'all, I'm just like definitely a creature of habit. So this to me is like, whoa, like why am I doing this? Now I'm gonna go ahead and create my own lip. So I'm going for something, again, orangey, but I don't want it to be straight up orange. I'm kind of looking for like this shade here, giving me more like neon, right? It's actually not terrible. Okay. I mean, it's a little bright. I think I was going in a good direction. I just needed something to like bring it in. I'm gonna add some derriere to this, or a Girl's Got Needs, actually. Yeah. Oh, that turned out fire. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now, and I'm gonna come at y'all with like the finished look, because this shit's literally gonna turn off. But fuck, I think I saved it. This is the finished look. I just wanted to hop on here really quick. Ignore the unibrow. I mean, it's there as part of the vibe, but this is the look. Hopefully I can get a good picture. I don't know if it's gonna be with my camera or not, but yeah, hope the video was really quick. That's fine with me. But as y'all can see, this is my tan. So if you look at my face, I mean, you know, I tried the best with the best that I got. So that's that. Hope you guys like the look, and leave comments down below anything y'all want to see. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next video. Hopefully I don't have my unibrow anymore and we get a facial. So bye.